In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on BigCommerce. In order to do that, you first need to head over to BigCommerce.com. Now, if you already have an account on them, proceed to click onto this login option. If not yet, you can head over and then request a demo of their actual application. And once you have actually submitted the particular form for this demo, they will give you access for a free trial of BigCommerce. So make sure to turn this as well in your liking. In here, we have the article for adding tax on BigCommerce. We have in here the basic tax setup as well as terminologies, requirements, and the likes. So with this, if you're running a business, you actually need to input tax for them. This needed for government, for platforms, as well as other fees associated with this. So for example, you have in here 4% tax on perishable and 7% on non-perishable. They have 0% tax rate for tax-exempt customers as well. So for the requirements, you will need to go over it and view your manage settings by clicking onto the manage tax settings and make sure that it's enabled into your account. View and edit your products, and it must have the manage product, edit product or product options, and manage brand permissions enabled on your user account as well. Now once you're in there, you can see this. Head over and then click on your basic tax and click on edit. From in there, you can create tax classes as well as tax zones and specify the tax rates for each tax zone. Then they actually recommend doing a test order for each tax scenario you need to address to make sure everything is working as intended. We have in here different tax classes that you can choose from. Here we have default tax class, non-taxable products, shipping, and gift wrapping taxes options. You can assign tax classes to product as well in order to automatically charge them via checkout. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.